What a fantastic week we had. Great production and great attitudes on our Tallahassee Sales Blitz. But don't just hear it from me. Listen to some of our new representatives that were able to attend. What a great week.
It's more so about the people you meet and the relationships you make, because even if it's a no today, it might not be a no a week from now. So building that relationship, getting to know those businesses, and really investing in what it is that you're doing is the key to success in this industry.
This week I really learned how valuable it was to blanket a whole town. So we stayed in a small town the whole time and canvassed the town, and we have so many opportunities, and I would highly advise everybody to do that. I come from a big city, so it's sometimes hard to do that, but like the smaller towns, you can definitely canvas the whole town, and I would highly recommend that. And come to a Blitz too, because this was my first one, and I highly recommend it to everybody. It was so amazing. I loved it.
Get comfortable being uncomfortable, because no matter how experienced you are, there's nothing more uncomfortable than walking to a business and asking them, hey, give me your credit card, your social security, obviously not right away, but you gotta get comfortable being uncomfortable, and there's nothing more uncomfortable than being in a place you're not familiar with. So being in Florida, I'm from New York, so these people have 5-second attention span, so I have to suck air through a gill in order to talk. They're like, slow down. So learn your area, be comfortable being uncomfortable, and lean on you.
Most importantly, you have to be hopeful in this industry, because hope is the confident expectation of future blessings. Number 2, if you never fail at the level of your effort, you'll never rise to the level of your potential. And last thing, we have learned every single day that everything that comes out of this man's mouth is truth. And it'll only make you better as a husband, as a father, as a leader, as a servant, and in this industry. God bless you, Rich, and thank you for everything you do, my brother.
How do you manage your time? And just by coming to a sales blitz, getting here at 7 o'clock, getting the tank filled up with some motivation, and the thing that I'm kind of humbled by are the people that I learn from, people that are brand new, right? And time management and staying out until 4:30, 5 o'clock has been just, it's kind of a whole new world. Like I kind of waking up, just realizing that time management is really the preparation of being successful.
This week has just been so full of energy. It's helped me create a process and a pattern and my new normal, and I'm going to take that forward. So I highly recommend a Sales Blitz. This group is amazing, from the leadership right down to the latest newbie, and the energy and the experience has just been tremendous. So thank you so much for that.
Sometimes you're just gonna get a string of doors, you're just gonna keep being no, 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 but it's all about finding that one merchant that needs you, that wants to talk to you, because they are lucky to see you walk in that door, and those are the ones that really remind you why you're here and what you're doing this for. You are a winner.
I can say after 5 days, I've learned as much usable knowledge and information out when I'm working this week than I probably have in the other 5 months. I can't wait to go to the next Sales Blitz. I already asked Rich where it is. I would say to everybody, you have to go. You just have to. You have to commit to the week to go to the Sales Blitz, because being around veterans, the new people, hearing the stuff that's said in the meetings, the education, I incorporated a lot of it into what I said and did this week. Not only that, my mindset's completely changed. I'm gonna start getting up earlier when I get home. I'm gonna start getting out of the house earlier.
What I've learned is just the relationship. So I look around the room, I've had really good contacts and conversations with all of you, and I really wanna thank you for that. I think what's incredible is that every single person sells differently, but also with the same heart and integrity as well. And so being able to just know, okay, I gotta figure out like my brand and my company and what does that look like, right, when I'm presenting myself, to make sure that I am bringing the best value to the customer. But being able to like just hear everyone's pitch and how different it is, and know there's no wrong way to do this. There's like 1,000 right ways to do this, as long as you have that integrity. So thank you for that.